Hello everybody, my name is Pobzer, and welcome to part 35 of Resident Evil 4. In the last episode, we killed 2 Regenerators and got Ashley back. So, now, we're going to do this hectic part that is ridiculous. I don't like this part.
Look, there's
Yes, I know, there's a gate here. And now there's 50,000 motherfuckers! Run, Ashley! We need to get in here. I need to grab both of these things. I need to hit this. Go. I came in like a wrecking ball. I'll stop that. Okay, now I have to wait for that to get done. I basically have to just hold them off. While I keep wrecking balling. Anybody behind me? No. People in front of me, though. Shut up. Whoa! I just looked behind me. You fuck. Head monster. Oh, shit. Okay, I got a wrecking ball. It's back. Go! Whoa! I gotta... Yeah! Okay. I can leave. I don't have to stay and fight all these people. And I don't want to. And I have no desire to. So I'm leaving. Fuck all of that. Oh, that is the one part that I'm not gonna stay and fight. Those people. Fuck that. It's difficult. I'm not doing it. There's a regenerator around the corner, so... I'm gonna do this. I'm not doing well. But I'm fine. He can live. You can actually hear the regenerator. He's not in here, he's down the hallway. But I'm going in here to get all the stuff. Open. Rifle ammo. Exactly what I need to kill Regenerator. Open. Fire grenade. Why not? More stuff I have, the better. Locker. 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 No. Nothing in the locker. Alright, fuck it. Let's do it. Wait here, Ashley. Oh! Okay, he's closer than I thought.
Follow me. Wait.
Wow, he's closer than I thought he was. Wow, you're close. Okay. I remember him being on the other end of the hallway. Stop aiming, just fire. Okay. I get in that habit. I get in a bad habit where I'm trying to precisely aim and I actually do worse instead of just firing. If I just trust my natural, like, aiming ability and just fire it normally instead of being an asshole, then I'm fine. Hang on. I'm trying to listen if there's another regenerator. Yes, there is. He is down here. I knew it. Come on, Ashley. Wait here.
Wait.
I knew there was one down the hallway. This is the one I was thinking about. I forgot that there was another one. I actually didn't know there was another one. Just fire. Stop trying to aim. Just fire. Just fire. Stop trying to aim it and just fire it. Stop trying to aim it. Just fire it. There we go. See? I'm so much better when I'm not trying to be perfect. When I'm just playing it normally, I'm better than I give myself credit for. Oh, spooky. Spooky, scary lights. Herb. See, they are throwing herbs at me. Got it. The shutter's stuck. Oh, no. Ashley can fit through there. Grenade. Ammo. Shotgun ammo. I can buy the vest now. I should be fine. I actually think I should get both of what I need. Very easily. There's just enough to send Ashley under here. For her to get killed by the monsters on the other side. Bye, Ashley. I hope you don't die. Oh, you didn't? Oh, well, too bad. Well, that's where we're supposed to go. This is the merchant. A yellow herb. Another herb. I'll trade you spots, Herb. Okay. Now we're going to go see the merchant. And get this red herb that he's hiding. More herbs! Oh, I put it in the wrong one. Oh, that's fine. Whatever. It's all good. I got so much herb. So many herb. So much herb. I'll talk to you first, then I will save. Oh, the next part. Oh.
Got a selection of
I know what the next part is.
Selling.
Next part's not that bad, actually. I have nothing to sell to you. Wow, I have nothing to sell to you. For the first time in a while.
What are you buying?
I could exclusive upgrade my striker. But I will not. Not yet.
What are you
I will do
buying?
this.
Is that all, stranger?
Yep, got myself a upgrade on my armor situation. Now I'm wearing like a riot vest. Got myself elbow pads and everything. If you beat the game, I can't remember if you beat it once or twice, you can get Ashley this suit of armor, and she's like invincible no matter what, so you can let her get hit by things and it won't matter. It's actually really comforting to use. Wait there, Ashley. Let's give it a try. Got it. We did it! Hardest puzzle ever. I would like an egg to give to Ashley because I don't want to give Ashley anything. Snake! Damn it, fucking first aid spray. Oh, really? As I've previously stated, I hate first aid spray. I'm going to go sell that to the merchant real quick, actually. So it's not sitting in my inventory for no reason. Gah! Hate first aid spray. It's stupid.
Welcome.
It's stupid in that it takes away from your rank in every other Resident Evil game. Again, I'm not particularly sure if you actually get ranked in this.
Thank you.
Pretty sure you don't.
Anytime.
Fairly sure you don't. But we'll see. At the end of the game, we'll see. Maybe I will get ranked. Maybe I'll have a ranking that I didn't know about. Alright, here we go. I got nothing else to do but let Ashley drive.
Me, Leon.
We're all dead now. Ashley's driving. Wow, I only have 235 gigabytes left in my computer. I need to delete some stuff. I need to delete some stuff. Dang. I need to hurry up and edit some things and delete some stuff. Running out of space. I know. I've got it. Don't worry. These guys are pussies. I've got it. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about a thing. Because every little thing, shit, is gonna be alright. When you kill these people, because every little thing gonna be alright. When I shoot you. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm about to die! Oh! We're fucked. I fucked up. Oh, I saved it! Oh, we're not dead. We might be here in a minute, but for now, we're not dead. Right in the butt. Right in the dick. Hurry up and die. Alright, the truck is back alive that I have to shoot it again. Whoops. Shotgun. It's dead. I don't need to worry about it. Alright. Got it. I gotta pause it real quick. Jump cut. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Back in it to win it. I had to answer the phone. Somebody was calling me. Okay, so now I have to get off this thing.
I'm leaving it to you.
Thank you, Ashley, for leaving it to me. I have to get off this thing and activate the lift. That way we can keep moving. Hey, look! Another herb. Shut up with your co-head low. Suplex! Yes! No! Not even. Wait. Got it. Okay, I got it. Oh! How dare you? How dare you come behind me? Try to sneak up on me. Alright, we are now moving forward. Over here. You bastards. Got him, don't worry about it. I'll just shoot this guy's axe out of the sky. Don't worry. Okay, worry. I didn't have it like I thought I did. I had it, I was too casual. I wasn't had no hurry. Shut up! No swagger in my step. Alright, let me do this smarter and better. I think Ashley's killed me more times than I've died. I think Ashley dying has been more of my deaths than anything. I will take that rifle ammo off your hands. Whoops, I didn't need to fire again. Wasted the bullet. I've been doing that a lot, honestly, this whole Let's Play. I've been wasting ammo. Just because I don't think people are dead and they are. It's frustrating. I would really rather not waste ammo. Alright, I activated the thing. God damn it. Oops. Okay, I got you. This time I really do have you. I got it. Don't worry. Nobody's gonna get you. Because if you die, I die, and I don't feel like doing this again. Okay. Gotta make sure nobody gets to Ashley before I jump down off the ladder. Whoa! You're like Superman. Dropping down off of ceilings, because you know, Superman. God damn it. Drops down off of ceilings. It's his trademark. Well, I jumped down and did not take what he had. I don't think he had anything anyway, so it's all good. Grab this money, and now I'm good. I actually have 36,000 money now again. Look at this. You can actually aim through Ashley's head. Hollow-headed Ashley. Alright, moving on. Now that I've had fun with that. Jesus Christ. I'm running out of space. Maybe I'll be able to freaking get my broken butterfly upgraded too. That'd be a thing that I didn't think I'd be able to do, but at this rate I might be able to. That would be amazing, honestly. Oh crap! You are close to me. Son of a bitch! How are you gonna do that to you? How are you gonna put a head monster in close quarters with me? That's rude. Game. Ow! He's fucking behind me! Damn it! I saw that. Fucking with me now, right? Game. Why you gotta be an asshole like this? Why can't you just let bygones be bygones? Something coming in front of us? Ugh! Okay! Had the reflexes to do that. Scared the shit out of me, though. Wow, this episode actually went on time. Despite the jump cut I have to put into it. Wow, cool. That I couldn't have asked for that to be any better. Hey, I'm here. Here's Johnny. Hey, more money that I can spend on my friend the merchant. Hey, a fire grenade I don't really need. Too much stuff. It's fine though. I'm not gonna complain about too much stuff. Even though I am complaining. Wait, the thing's right next to you. I didn't pick it up. Shut up. I want to get the thing.
Anytime.
Oh, I didn't edit out my Google search from the other episode either. I need to do that. Alright, cool.
What are you
Nothing
selling?
at the moment. Well, no. TMP.
Is that all, stranger? Is that... Thank you.
I don't think I have anything else to sell you. 25. Is this going to get up to 30? I don't know what it gets up to, but it's going to be good. And I will be able to upgrade my striker.
What are you buying?
So I'm good.
What are you buying?
I'm actually better than I thought I was going to be. And I can... Oh, I'm good. Hopefully I can get the upgrade for that. That would be, going into the boss battle, that would be the most... That would be the best I could ask for. Of anything. Okay. So I'm going to end the episode here. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you continue to follow along for the series. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.